friends, this is Rohini Rana welcoming you back again. Today on 1st June 2020, markets went up by 900 points on the high backdrop of lockdown and we have seen normal business resuming its operation. The market sentiments are rather bullish. However, the opinion and the unfolding of economy recovery post-lockdown could differ, and if market experts are reckoned with the optimistic attitude might pay off. Here are a few insights into what fuels that sentiment on the path to restoring the economy. Tentative yet conservative dates would be sometime in the end of June or early July. Sectors that are forth from the investor focus are chemicals and pharma, API manufacturing and agri-waste industries. Agriculture comprises of 30% of our GDP and 70% of our population. The COVID-19 impact would be limited to service sector that is limited to cities. The rural-based economy would continue to prosper and industries associated with it. One of the promising drivers, the concomitant shift of many companies' production base from China to India is to our advantage. Again, in the wait and watch stance is how all the financing is going to happen. Implicitly and explicitly, production and exports will be promoted, but preventing mismanagement of its implementation is imperative. Another concomitant prerogative is the Japanese and Korean companies leaning towards India for its human capital while they bring in the capital and technology. To the Japanese, the Korean, and to us is a delicious shot in the arm for all three and a benefit to the vast domestic market. The big picture of resurrection has all sectors benefiting unbridled and is not limited to a selective one. However, to reap that harvest, execution at the broader strategic level is imperative. This involves trade associations, pharma associations and manufacturing associations going on proactive in their approach to Indian government with their plan and proposal to bring business to India. This is where time is of the essence and no time can be wasted on cocoa mine. The time to visit Japan and Korea is now. So we can see a bit of volatility going up in the coming week and big swings in the market may be seen, but it is imperative to maintain the bigger picture and longer horizon into consideration while investing and taking positions. So stay safe, stay invested and like us on YouTube. Thank you.